Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can communicate with your Micrologix PLC when you have Contrologix or Compactlogix over the message instruction and using Ethernet. So on my left side you can see it's my RSLogix 5000 and on my right side it's my Micrologix. My Micrologix is connected with my Micrologix 1400 PLC, and on the left side this is my Compactlogix L43. So let's start. First of all, I'll just take a couple rungs and I'm just gonna write down message instructions, and the name for these message instruction, the first one I wanna read from Micrologix, and another one gonna be write to Micrologix. Right click, create a new, make sure this is on your controller axis, the scope, and data type is message, hit create. Same thing on the other side, hit create. So now if you go to controller tags, you will see your message instructions over here, those tags for the message instructions. So what you do now, where you want to pull the data, which gonna be over here. So first I want to create a tag, is gonna be read, and another one gonna be write. So read gonna be integer because we are pulling the integer from here and we are putting integer back there. Now if I'm talking about just one integer, is gonna be just one here. I want to access from 0 till 9, which gonna be 10 elements. So let's make it dimension of 10 elements, hit OK. Now I have 10, as you can see, 0 to 9. Same thing over here, I want to create 10 elements of write as well. Sounds perfect. Let's go back to our task and let's go inside the first message instruction. What we need to select over here, we need to select, we want to read from SLC. What is the source? The source you want to read from. I want to read from N7 colon 0 right here. Start from here. So it's gonna be N7 colon 0. How many elements I want to read? 0 till 9 is gonna be total 10 elements. And where I want to put that on, I want to put that to my read. Perfect. Now let's go to communication side. You have to be very careful in the communication side. If your PLC like some Compactlogix or Contrologix, they have their own Ethernet port into the processor, then what you need to do, you just write down 2, space 192.168.1.42. This is my Micrologix PLC IP address. If I go to controller properties, communication, this is my Micrologix IP address. But if your PLC is like backplane and it has a separate Ethernet card, you need to make sure the location of your Ethernet card. So I'm just gonna say 1 represent backplane, 1 is my location in the backplane of my Ethernet card, and then I'm gonna put 2, 2 is my port, and that's my proper address. Now I'm gonna hit apply. Actually, I'm gonna just copy this and OK, because I'm gonna paste it the same thing over here. Okay, and now the source of element that you wanna write to, I wanna write from my Compactlogix, the destination gonna be N7 colon 10 and elements are 10. Hit OK and there you go. Now I wanna only access these and I wanna make sure that my enable will be reset with right there with whenever this will be done and enable will be off, it will trigger one more time. And same thing over here on my right, I want to use my enable bit right here and I want to create just a bit tag like gonna be integer or double integer, whatever you like. It's just I'm using so I can access these whenever I want, whenever I wanna make sure that this instruction supposed to trigger. That's why I'm using these 2 bits here. On this side we are done. Let's go to the other side now. Other side we do not need to do anything because we are pulling from here. All we have to do, I'm just going to download the empty program into my processor because I already have something running in my processor. And I'm going to go who's active and I'm going to download whatever program we just created over here into the processor of my Compactlogix. And there you go. All right, I wanna just right now toggle my read and let's go to controller tags and let's see what we are reading. I was pulling 0 till 9 as a read. So if I put 10 here, 10 supposed to come right over here. And if I put on number 5, 50, the 50 will come on number 5. On number 9, I put 90, 90 will be here. So it's working perfectly fine as a reading. I cannot change these numbers on my own. It will go back to 0 because we are pulling 0 from here and putting here every single time my message is done. Now let's shut off my read and I can change these now anytime. It will not go away because I'm not executing my message instruction and not pulling this data and dumping here. On the other hand, let's go to the right one. I toggle this bit and now we are writing from here till here. Let's expand my write. If I put here 125, my 125 will appear here right away. If I put a number 555, my 555 is over here right away. I cannot change anything over here because now every single time my message instruction is getting done, it's dumping this value in here. Now there is a more interesting things we can do with message instruction and we're gonna discuss that in next video. Thank you very much.